Tell the rogue ambassador, Kenya is not United States. Kenya is not a colony of the United States. Keep your mouth shut.
President William Ruto has urgently held a diplomatic meeting with U.S. Ambassador Meg Whitman at State House in Nairobi. This meeting came on the heels of a sharp exchange between Ambassador Whitman and Azimio leader Raila Odinga, wherein Odinga criticized the ambassador for her remarks regarding Kenya's election outcome. Accompanying Ambassador Whitman was U.S. Senator Chris Coons. In a bid to address the controversy, President Ruto lent his support to Ambassador Whitman's statements, which had triggered a contentious response from the opposition. The ambassador had spoken favorably about Kenya's recent election during the 10th Devolution Conference in Eldoret, describing it as the most credible in Kenyan history. This assertion drew the ire of Raila Odinga, who admonished her for purportedly interfering in Kenya's internal affairs. Odinga's criticism was intensified during his address at the 8th Devolution Conference, where he vehemently rebuked Ambassador Whitman's remarks. He emphatically urged her to stay out of Kenya's matters, asserting that Kenya was not subservient to the United States and warning of potential consequences. Contrary to Odinga's stance, President Ruto defended Ambassador Whitman's statements as factual observations rather than unwarranted interference. He encouraged Odinga and his allies to exercise decorum and self-respect in their interactions, even as they demanded respect from others. Ruto highlighted that the ambassador's comments about the election's credibility and Kenya's business prospects were grounded in truth. Moreover, President Ruto highlighted the potential ramifications of Odinga-led protests that had led to property destruction in the past. He labeled support for such actions as reckless and detrimental to the nation's economy and investment opportunities. Ruto also emphasized the importance of appreciating the contributors to the country's progress, including the U.S., which has injected substantial financial support into Kenya's economy. Dr. Alfred Mutua, the Cabinet Secretary for Foreign Affairs, echoed President Ruto's sentiments, stating that Ambassador Whitman's statements were truthful and should not be criticized. He underscored the vital role of an ambassador as a diplomatic representative of their nation and commended her recognition of Kenya's transformative journey under President Ruto's leadership. Mutua stressed that such honest viewpoints should be embraced, even if they challenge certain perceptions. Regarding the meeting between President Ruto and U.S. Senator Chris Coons, the focus was on fortifying the relationship between Kenya and the United States. President Ruto took to Twitter to express that Kenya was enthusiastic about deepening ties with the U.S. to promote trade, investment, and collaborative efforts in climate change mitigation and environmental conservation. Senator Coons also acknowledged Kenya's status as a robust democracy and discussed broader global issues such as security and climate change during the meeting. In essence, President Ruto's meeting with Ambassador Whitman, Senator Coons, and the subsequent conversations surrounding Ambassador Whitman's comments underscored the intricate dynamics of international relations and the delicate balance between asserting national sovereignty while acknowledging the importance of constructive international partnerships. To get more news, leave a like and comment below this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Kenyan News channel.